Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today, after getting multiple requests from you guys, we have finally launched the series on how to do editing like Magnets Media in Capcut. In this video, we are going to learn how to do this.
Today, the Volkswagen Group is one of the largest auto conglomerates in the world, holding ownership over brands like Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Porsche.
Let's get started. To start our editing, I have added the audio as well as the initial two clips to the timeline. There are multiple effects that we'll need to add to these clips to make it to the level of Magnets Media. Let's do this one by one. Let's first add the snow effect. I'm just going to drag the clip over here and simply drag it to the start. We want to turn the snow into black color. How do you do that? Go to adjustments, in curves, drag the Luma curve to the bottom right. Do you see that it has changed the color to black? Next, let's add the smoke. I'll drag the smoke to the timeline. Going to cut the extra part and delete it. We will need to blend it. So go back to video, in blend, select screen. We can reduce the opacity a bit. We can keep it around 60. In the original video, to highlight the main image, they have given a veneer effect on the sides. Let's do that. Click on adjustment and drag the custom adjustment to the timeline and drag it to the end. Next, scroll down and increase the veneer to around 20. Finally, let's add a filter to this. I'm going to add this one and then increase it till the end. We can reduce the shadow of this to keep it around 40. Let's see the clip once.
Today, the Volkswagen Group is one of the largest auto conglomerates in the world, holding own.
And lastly, to give it a final touch, we'll fade the clip a bit. For that, click on the adjustment clip. In basic, scroll to the end, increase the fade. You can keep it around 15. I still feel that the clip is too bright, so we are going to increase the strength of the filter to around 70. This looks nice. Now let's tackle the next part. Firstly, let's add the chalkboard background to the timeline. Let's expand it. Next, you have the Volkswagen logo. You will find all these clips and the video assets in the description as well as on the WhatsApp channel. Decrease the size by a bit. Let's go to adjustment and give it some effects. You can decrease the saturation by a bit. Keep it around 10. Increase the brightness and increase the fade to around 40. Next, we need to mask the bottom of the logo. Again, click on video, go to mask and click on horizontal. Then drag this below. Scroll down a bit and add a feather. You can keep a feather of around 30. So if we drag this up a bit, this is giving us the desired effect. Now let's add the logos of the cars. We are going to have this logo till the end. So I'm just going to expand this and keep it over here. Let's hear when he is saying Audi, we can add this logo.
Ownership over brands like Audi.
We have Audi over here. Decrease the size. Let's first add all the 4 logos and then we can do adjustments and add animations to it. Then we have Lamborghini. And lastly, we have the Porsche. Now let's add animations one by one. We are going to add slide up for all 4 of them. Just click on the clip, go to animations, click on slide up. Let's do the same for rest. Now let's add the brightness. Go to adjustments. Increase the temperature by a bit. You can keep it around 20. And increase the brightness. Let's keep it 30. Let's do the same. Increase the brightness. You can keep it 50. Same for Lamborghini. Let's adjust it in such a way that it looks good. Keep it 30. And for the Porsche, let's keep it around 30. Before we go to the next step, let's see this once.
Over brands like Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Porsche.
Okay, this is coming up at the correct time. Let's move to the next step. We will now need to create a compound clip. For that, select all the clips. For selecting them, you can click on Control and then select them one by one. Then either you can press Alt plus G or right click and create compound clip. Now we need to add some keyframes. Initially, the logo is going to be big. Go back to video. Bring the playhead to the start. Rotate it to around 14 degrees. Add a keyframe. Then bring the playhead to the end of the clip. Add another keyframe. Make the rotate to 0. And make it fit to screen. Now similar to the first part, we need to add 3 effects to this. Firstly, we can drag the adjustment clip till the end. Next, add the snow particles. In blend, you need to do screen. Go to the end of the clip and cut the remaining part and delete it. Also, we need to add the smoke effect. I'm just going to use the same one and drag it on this side. This is looking too much, so I'm going to decrease it a bit. I'm just going to expand this, scroll down, and then decrease the opacity and keep it only 20%. So it gives a very subtle effect.
Holding ownership over brands like Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Porsche.
And lastly, let's add the transition between the two clips. I'm just going to drag this to the timeline, select screen. Okay, let's see the video once from the start.
Today, the Volkswagen Group is one of the largest auto conglomerates in the world, holding ownership over brands like Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Porsche.
That's it guys for today. Let me know in the comments what you would like me to cover in the next videos. If you want to know how to edit like pro YouTubers, you can check the playlist over here. See you.